Okay, thanks for tuning in, everybody. This is the instructional video overview of the HEI, Stealth HEI ignition that I'm going to offer on my website. It's going to be available at mgb3d.com. So, what this is, we'll just start from the beginning. This is a Chevy HEI distributor. It has this module. This is a 4-pin module. Inside here bolts into that, and you have your cap and your coil in your cap. All your hookups are right here. So what we're doing here, and here's a Mopar distributor that has a Mopar base, and as you can see, it's a GM top. So you can buy those, but you have this big cap, and your coil's in there, and everybody says, "Ah, you got Chevy stuff." Well, this engine, this is a 1968 340 out of a Dodge Dart GTS. I have my ignition set up on it. It has coil steel and the Mopar electronic distributor. This had points. And it's been converted to electronic ignition. So if you have points, you can convert your distributor with a pickup. That's these two wires coming out of here. That's all that has is a pickup coil. This distributor has everything inside of it, and the coil on top. It's all in one. So if we don't want to use any of that stuff, but you still want to use the ignition, this is where my setup comes into play. I have here a box. Now this is 3D printed out of ABS, and I have a fake boot here, just like the original. So here's an original box. Here's mine. So I have a fake heat sink on there, and then underneath it, it's open, whereas this is solid. So you would take this off of your vehicle, and you can get this in a few different ways. I'm going to offer a kit where everything's ready to go, or a do-it-yourself kit. This would be everything ready to go, including a module. And that's how it would hook up. And you'd bolt this in your car, right where your original box went. If you're going to put it together, I'm going to put the camera down here to show you how it works. So, this is a heat sink. This is 3/16 aluminum laser cut. And this is your box. And we have M4 inserts. Everything's M4, all the hardware. So you have two bolts that hold, I had one. Hold the wire boot on, and then you have your heat sink, fake heat sink with a wire insert in there, and bolts that hold those in. Then you take your module, put it on your heat sink, lines up with the pins, put her in there. I got ahead of myself. You'd want to take your wire harness, feed your wires from the back through here, just like so. Feed them all through there. So you have your terminal ends right here. Hook this up, set it down in, and then you just take the Allen wrench, it's included, and these two flange head bolts, and then through all this, just like so. And then you put your ground wire on, your other bolt, Have these ready. Feed that through. Tighten everything. Tighten those two up. You're done. That is ready to go. It will look like this. Now, the wire